Hello mga laagan! Another video. So, di daw ka legit nga taga-Tagum kung wala pa ka nakasuroy o nakakaon-ani na restaurant. So, this is Tawengs. Tawengs is known for their Ilonggo dishes here in Tagum City. So, one of the OG here in the city of Tagum nga nag-serve og mga lamiang Ilonggo dishes. So, when we visited, it was really gloomy and it was raining. So we ordered 2 steaming bowls of their bok choy. Famous ni siya sa ilahang restaurant. So I ordered mine with fresh eggs and she ordered hers with hard-boiled eggs. Ug wa na mo gikalimtan ang ilahang lamiang toasted bread. And we also ordered their lumpiang gulay nga isa pod sa ilahang best seller dito. So, pirti na mong busuga kay daghan kayong ilahang serving. And visit na mo. Thank you for watching.